My close friend made more in 1 month than in a whole year at his day job. Want to know a secret? It's simple. He trades using one straightforward yet extremely effective strategy, and today I will show it to you in this video. So watch to the end. I will explain how to set up indicators, how to read signals, plus I will reveal one non-obvious factors that will take your trading to the next level. Let's go, guys. All right, let's get straight to business. Added the necessary trading indicators. I need two tools, Aroon and Keltner Channel. Now let's configure this trading system. For Keltner Channel, I remove the background fill. I change the band colors. I prefer white. It's most visible on the chart. Okay, time to set up Aroon. I set periods to 20 for more accurate signal. Change ascending line to green for clearer visuals. Now let's break our entry strategy. First, check which Aroon line is on top. If red line dominates, indicates downtrend. But as you can see, the indicator perfectly catches price drops, showing us the correct trading direction. Our entry points come from Keltner. When price bounces off upper or lower bands, it usually reverses. This happens consistently, and we will use this pattern. The key condition in our strategy, Aroon and Keltner, they must align. If both indicators show growth because or decline, we enter the market. But before we start trading, I want to be sure you know another type of signal from Keltner. We are talking about breakouts of each line, both central and boundary ones. Typically, the price continues moving in the breakout direction, and when this happens, we seriously consider entering a trade. I understand there's a lot of information, but it will become much clearer during actual trading. Now I'll switch assets. I will immediately begin our first trade. Let's go, guys. This is exactly what we need here, and I'm entering on a rising quote. I want to point out right away that this chart has broken through a clear resistance zone. Yeah, the asset has broken through and now is rapidly growing. It's already above the Keltner and bounced off it, and Aroon is in the green zone. So we have no doubt about this quote upward movement. I'll be taking profit soon, but while there's still time, let me give you a piece of advice. Guys, trading is great, but you shouldn't spend all your free time on it. At the very least, you need to exercise. Why do you think all successful people go to the gym, play tennis, play golf, or at least run in the morning? You know why? It's because sport is important, guys. And it's not just about physical appearance though. That's a nice bonus. The key thing that sport affects our brain. Alright, I've closed my first successful trade, guys. Now I'll switch assets and we'll continue right away. Perfect, guys. Now it's time to trade the asset decline. Well, guys, I'm already in the market. Let's break down what to watch for. The red Aroon is on top and the chart is dropping. At the same time, there's a bounce off the Keltner boundaries, already outside of it. Earlier, the price broke through all its line and dropped. Now, everything indicates that the asset will continue to decline. So why do we traders need sport? It's all about obvious benefits. It improves concentration, helps notice more details, and it enhances memory. All of this is essential for trading. Concentration is needed to quickly read market signals. Attention helps you avoid mistakes, and an efficient memory allows you to better retain new information, which will definitely come in handy during trading. The trade is closed in profit again, and we continue. By the way, a good memory is crucial for growth and learning. For example, I regularly post new trade and trading secrets in my Telegram channel, so subscribe via link in the description and study completely for free. I've opened another trade. Let's analyze the situation. As you can see, the asset is declining with the price moving inside the channel that's about to break downward. This will accelerate drop. I'm confident about this because the indicators continue to signal an overall downtrend. The channel have marked only reinforced this strength of the signals have been fed. Now, by the way, we can outline another channel with a steeper downward slope. We are approaching its lower boundary and there is still room to fall further. So we've established that spots help us train information better and trade more effectively. They want to know the best part? Even simple morning exercise and evening walks are enough. The key is not to sit in an office chair all day. That's harmful in every way. Another profitable trade closed. Guys, it's time to switch charts and wrap up today's trading session. I entered the trade on the price uptick, a simple deal based on the green Aroon indicator, and an ascending chart. There's a bounce off the Keltner midline, so right now it's worth waiting for a strong momentum to start. The price is expected to rise at least to this level, which attracts buyer. By the way, everything is happening within the channel. We are moving from the bottom up, so a smooth trade closure is likely. All that's left is to wait for expiration and lock in the profits. I think you've already noticed that these strategies perform well in different market conditions, as you can see. It's universal and pairs excellently with graphical analysis method. If you're starting out in the trading and don't yet have experience, I can highly recommend this strategy for beginners. Okay, everything here is going more than well. Fantastic. As you can see, over $5,000 in the account. Now it's time to wrap up the trading session. I'm sure you see the value in this strategy. I've clearly demonstrated its effectiveness. Just 4 trades multiplied my deposit 5 times, and I hope you replicate this success today right after watching this video. By the way, it's no secret that a strong start leads to great and greater results. That's why I'm happy to tell you that I'm giving out 50% bonus on my pocket option broker promo code. What to do? Join my Telegram channel, link is in the description, get my promo code and it gives you instant 50% bonus. You deposit $100, you get $150. Use this offer while it still lasts. If you want to support me, I'd love to see your engagement under this video. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment so I'll know what you love more about the video. That's it guys for today. We are wrapping the trading session today. See you guys in the next session. Bye bye and remember, trade smart.